I don't know if you can see it. Do you see?
We can't believe it that we made it.
We are in Thessaloniki. We arrived last night, as always. We start every video with we arrived last night. We arrived last night.
We are currently at the Aristoteles and we are going to walk around the city. We actually had some sweets for breakfast.
Oh my god, I had baklava. I have been telling myself I needed to have baklava for breakfast in, what's this? In Greece. And today I ordered baklava. The piece they gave me was as big as my head.
Yeah.
I ordered two, like a traditional baklava and a different kind of baklava with cinnamon.
So to compensate the fact that she ate so much sweet, and me too because I ate half of the round thingy, we went to the market and we bought olives.
So we're gonna walk around the city center and take you with us and show you whatever we like.
Yes. And high five for reaching the sea. See you in a minute. We made it to the tower, to the White Tower. Where are you? And then we saw this boat and we spontaneously decided to get on it.
Because if we see a boat, if it floats, we're gonna be on it.
So we're gonna have some refreshment. Stay tuned.
See you somewhere.
Irene.
Hola.
So basically this is a Phoenician boat. That's a pirate ship. We like pirate ships.
We like ships.
That's true.
And we are trying all of them.
Yes.
If it floats, we are on it. So if you see a plastic bottle floating on the sea, I'm jumping on it.
We're probably on it. I think it is only a mythos that the food is good. Musaca de mi amore. Uso pa ti, uso pa mi. So you put ice in it or what?
Maybe.
Opa, Oma, are you ready for this?
Of Thessaloniki and we learned a lot of things, but we recommend, first of all, we're gonna say this, we recommend that you do the tour, the free walking tour of the upper town. Because if you come to Thessaloniki and you have no idea about anything
and you're in the
about
city
it,
center,
and you're in the city center, you might be disappointed. But once you do the tour and you find out about the secrets of the city, you will see Thessaloniki in a different way.
Yes. Also, the tour ends here. So
with this beautiful view, with Mount Olympus.
I don't know if you can see it.
Do you see?
But there's Mount Olympus. As a hat. The tour really changes your perspective on the city. We are not showing you any sites because the whole old city got burned down in 1917. So there is per se not many buildings to see, but there are a lot of places to hear about.
And also we have to say that this part, the upper part of the city, is very different from the city center.
Completely different.
Aesthetically, even though it's not a typical old town or old city. So do that. Bear that in mind.
I mean, we are currently within the old Acropolis. Sorry, we can't see it from here. There is an old monastery you can see from the Acropolis.
From the Acropolis, yes.
That you can also see and hear about in this tour. There are many, many interesting facts, and also they tell you a lot about the history of Thessaloniki as a city and Greece as a country.
Yeah.
That you might not hear anywhere else because it's more related to this city, but very important. So come to Thessaloniki, enjoy the city, enjoy the food. Oh my god, the food!
What else can you do here? Just do the tour.
Just do the tour. Just do the tour and do
If you
everything
come here, do
that
the
George
tour.
recommends because he's the bestest.
He's a local. He knows.
True. So if you like the video or if you have any questions how we organized the trip or where we stayed or where we ate, leave a comment or write us. And if you like the video in general, give us a thumbs up. And our next stop will be
Athens.
And woo, yeah, see you. So
See you there.
bye.
See you in Athens. Bye.